Good evening guys, welcome back to my channel. I believe everyone is doing good. So Nifty in 5 minutes chart, what happened? It was totally a consolidation phase. We have opened huge gap down and again we have seen a some selling in 5 minutes candle and market has recovered in first half, and this was our support level which has turned into resistance for today's trading session, and it has not broke our levels, and again it came back to its original level, and whole day it was trading in small range, whereas bank nifty was also slight sideways only. It has broke our support level, but it was a false breakout, and again it came back to its original where it opened, and this was our going long trade, and this was our target area. So as we discussed in yesterday's analysis, we will be getting bold trade, buy on dip and sell on rise. I believe people have utilized the opportunity. Now let's begin the open interest analysis and we'll see what's the big player planning. We'll follow by FII in options input. They were holding 2.74 lakhs of put buying. Today they have increased their put buying by 39,000 contracts. So they have 3.13 lakhs of put buying, and in call they were holding 2 lakhs of call buying contract. They have increased their call buying as well with 48,000 contracts, so they have 2.54 lakhs of call buying. Put buying is more than call buying, it means they are slight negative in options, but behind this trade they have also hedged their call writing and put writing. So this is a hedging position they have made. And in future index, 46% long, 54% short. It means they have reduced their longs, increased their short by 5%. So here also slight negative we can see now. Stock future percentage 53% long, 47% short, and good thing they have purchased in the cash market. They purchased for 1,338 crores. So say FII view is not known as of now. They don't have any directional trade. They have a all 50-50 long and short. But good thing they are continually purchasing in cash market. So it is just wait and watch how long they are going to continue this purchasing. Client are the retailers input. They were holding 1 lakh of put writing contract. Today they have added more 45,000 contracts. So they have 1.49 lakhs of put writing contract, and in call they were holding 95,000 of call writing contract. They have increased their call writing by 38,000 contracts, so they have 1.34 lakhs of call writing contract. So put writing is slight more than call writing. We can say they are bullish in options. In future index, 48% long, 52% short. They have increased 1% long, reduced 1% short. Stock future percentage 85% long, 15% short, and they have sold for 209 crores in the cash market. So see, the client view also is not directional. Promoters input, they were holding 1.91 lakhs of put writing contract. Today they have unwinded 6,000 contracts, so they have 1.84 lakhs of put writing, and in call they were holding 1.10 lakhs of call writing contract. They have increased 9,000 of call writing contracts, so they have equal number of call writing and put writing, but slight more on put writing now. Still we will consider this as hedging positions only. Future index they have 52% long, 48% short, so they have increased the long, reduced the short by 3%, and stock future percentage 61% long, 39% short, and they have purchased in the cash market for 215 crores. Promoters view is also not defined. They are 50-50. They are hedging their positions, but they are purchasing in cash market. DI have sold for 583 crores, so the cash flow was 759 crores positive value. Put call ratio for tomorrow Nifty is at 0.86 and Bank Nifty is at 1.09. So Nifty and Bank Nifty are neutral to positive only, whereas Bank Nifty is super positive, Nifty is slight at consolidation phase. Monthly PCR Nifty is at 1.34 and Bank Nifty is at 1.08, super bullish. Now let's check the change in OI. What happened today? Nifty, so we have seen a good number of put writing unwinding at 18,150 and 18,200, and a huge call writing addition at 18,100 to 18,250. Till yesterday the bulls were controlling the market. Today suddenly all the bears are active. So what is the view as per the change in OI? We have a good number of 18,100 short straddles. So market has to trade from 18,000 to 18,100. Bank Nifty, what happened today? We have seen a very good number of 43,000 put writing and 43,100 and 43,200 put writing addition. Meanwhile, we have seen a short straddle unwinding at 43,400 and put writing unwinding at 43,500. But still, Bank Nifty is stronger than Nifty. And Bank Nifty range will be 43,000 to 43,500. Now let's check the price action. Nasdaq in 1 day time frame, they are trading slight positive by 24 points and Dow is trading slight negative by 12 points. There is no momentum in US market as all the eyes are on Fed meet. So there is a Fed meet. SGX is trading slight negative by 30 points and India VIX at 11.84, very much comfortable. And Nifty in 1 day time frame, it has made a hanging man kind of a candle and it is around the key levels. This is a key level of resistance. So this is a negative candle as per the price action. Bank Nifty in 1 day time frame, it has formed a bullish candle and this candle represent hammer. So slight positive the Bank Nifty is while comparing to Nifty as per the price action. So mark the level. The Nifty first resistance comes around 18,123 and first support comes around 18,049 and Bank Nifty first resistance comes around 43,419 and first support comes around 43,142. So as per the open interest analysis, the data is neutral. We have a very good number of put writing versus call writing. We don't have any directional view. All the big players have hedged their positions. So I don't think there can be a very good upside movement or a downside movement. The expiry has to be smooth tomorrow. If there is a huge gap up or huge gap down, still the market has to recover and it has to consolidate only. So that's it for today guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.